My friends, I found a new platform that gives you access to generate AI videos like this, and I'm going to teach you how to do it. Now, let's first watch these videos I generated.
Never lie.
I am blessed.
My chief, this is impossible.
How did you become this wealthy?
I earned every coin with my own wisdom.
No. No. No.
My chief.
I lied.
The calopas rewards honesty, not pride.
Our chief has changed. The greatest wealth is an honest heart.
So my friends, the first thing we're going to do is to come to ChatGPT to generate a story and the prompt. So I opened my ChatGPT and I wrote, ChatGPT generate 5 story ideas for me, and it's this just that. Look at number 1, the talking calabash is about an arrogant village chief that find a mysterious calabash that grants unlimited wealth, but it must never lie. I think I like that story. So ChatGPT gave me 5 story ideas and I went through it. I read them and I loved the first one. So I told ChatGPT, I choose number 1. Please write a full short story with image prompt, animation prompts, character movements, sound effects, and make it very realistic with a short dialogue. I don't want narration format. Make it 16:9, which is YouTube size. And trust ChatGPT to always deliver. Look at it, delivered the full details. It gave us the chief name, the old woman, the villagers. That's it. First described their character, and it gave us each scene, the image prompt, animation prompt, character movement, sound effect, and dialogue. So it did that for all the scenes we're going to use to generate our video. Now that we have our prompt ready, the next thing we are going to do is to create our images with the image prompt of each scene. Okay, now if you are subscribed to ChatGPT, you can create it here, but if you're not subscribed, just use Gemini app. Okay, you can only create 3 pictures in ChatGPT in a day, and me now we have like 7 scenes, so we need 7 images. So let's go to Gemini to create the 7 images. So this is my Gemini app. I pasted the image prompt for scene 1 and I generated the video. Look at it. Now I'm downloading the video with that arrow that is facing down. Once I'm done, I'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt from scene 2. Once I copy it, I'll go back to Gemini. I'll paste it, then I'll tap on that arrow to generate the image, and trust Gemini to deliver beautiful images. Look at how beautiful these images. I downloaded it. I went back to ChatGPT again. I copied the image prompt for scene 3. Once I copy it, I headed back to Gemini app. I pasted it and I tapped on the arrow to start generating it, and it's generated the image for me. So this is what you are going to do to generate all your image first before generating your story. Okay, I use the same method to generate the images for the 7 scenes for my video. Now look at the beautiful image Gemini gave me. Tell me you don't love this image. Tell me that this image are not beautiful and clean. Now let's generate the video. Head over to your browser and type whizstar.com. Okay, whizstar.com. Once you type it, it will open this beautiful interface for you. As you can see, now as I always say, the first thing you do when you enter any free platform is to sign in with your Google Mail. Okay, now I'm already signed in, as you can see. Now once you open this whizstar.com, make sure you set it in desktop mode. That was what I did here. I set it in desktop website mode. Okay, now once you've done that, you can just go through the interface to see how it is. Now you see this place, there's home, there's my favorite. You see where they wrote tools? I'll tap on tools and it's this interface. You see the different things that are here. We're going to be working with video generator. So once you tap on that video generator to open, you see image to video or text to video. We are going to be working with image to video because we already have our images. The images we generated through ChatGPT and Gemini. And once you tap on it, you see photo library and other stuff. You tap on photo library, then you select the images. Now I selected the image for scene 1. It's going to load. Your image is going to load. Once it's loaded, it's going to appear in this place just like this. Now that we have our image ready, you can also add another image you like, but I'm okay with one image. So I head back to ChatGPT to copy the dialogue because we're going to be creating the video now. But we're not going to copy only the dialogue. We're going to copy the animation prompt, camera movement, sound effects, and dialogue. Copy everything together. Okay, once you copy it, you head back to the platform, then you paste it there. Once you place it, the next thing we're going to do now is to select our AI model. Now I told you guys we're going to be working with SEEDANCE. Okay, now you tap on this place that they wrote Kling Omni. See, Kling 3. Omni, you're going to see SEEDANCE 1.5 and SEEDANCE 2.0. So we're going to be using SEEDANCE 2.0 to create this video, okay? Once you tap it, you scroll down, you see this aspect ratio. You select your aspect ratio. I'm using 16:9. You select your duration. You can go as far as 15 seconds. You select your resolution and you select your output. Your output means how many video you want to generate. I selected one output because I'm okay with that. Then you tap on generate. Then you look at the video is already generating. It did not even take up to 5 minutes. My image got generated. Now let's watch it.
And soon, I will become richer than every king.
Tap the arrow facing down to save it into your gallery. We're going to use the same step to create scene 2 video. Select your image. Mine is in photo library. Yours can be in file. Anywhere your image is, just select it. Once you select the image for the next scene, it's going to load. Once it's load, you're going to head over to your ChatGPT to copy the prompt. Okay, and I told you we're going to be copying both the animation character, the camera movement, sound effect, and dialogue. Okay, because we want the perfect video. Now, once you copy it, you're going to head back to the platform to paste it back there. Once you paste it, you're going to scroll down and make sure your AI model is still in SEEDANCE. You can also use Kling or Mini, anyone you like. You can use SEEDANCE 2.0 or 1.5. I just prefer 2.0 because it's faster and it's better. Okay, you select your aspect ratio, your duration, and your resolution. Okay, just make sure it's in the right place. Then you select the output, then you tap on generate, and immediately your video is going to start generating. It will not even take up to 5 minutes.
This
Your
calapas
video
grants
will
wealth.
get generated.
I
Now
give?
let's watch the
Only
video
the
we
truth.
just created.
Never lie. This calapas grants wealth.
What must I give?
Only the truth. Never lie.
You see how easy and beautiful the video came out. Now we're going to copy the same method to generate the video for Sentiri. You select your image, it's going to load, okay? Once it's loaded, you're going to head back to ChatGPT to copy the animation prompts, the character movement, and the dialogue, okay? We are copying everything together because we want the best video. We want it to give us the best camera angles, to give us the best sounds, okay? Together with the dialogue. So you paste it. Once you paste it, you scroll down and select your AI model, select your aspect ratio, your duration, your resolution, and the output. If you notice the former video, I made a mistake. I selected the wrong aspect ratio. I selected the one for TikTok, not YouTube. That was why it gave us that size. Now I have to like check it here. Just make sure you always check your things to be correct. Now our video has generated. Let's watch it.
I am blessed.
My chief, this is impossible.
My friends, can you see how lovely that video is? Did you feel the emotions? Now let's use the same step to generate the next scene, okay? We selected our images, then the image is going to load. Once it gets loaded, we're going to head back to ChatGPT to copy the animation prompts, the sound effects, the dialogue, copy everything together. Then you head back to the same platform and paste it there. Once you paste it, we're going to select our AI model. This time around, let's try Kling 3.0 Omni, okay? Let's just try something different. We'll be using Sedan since. So once you select your AI model, you're going to scroll down, select your aspect ratio, make sure you select the right thing. Set your duration. You can set it to 15 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, anyone you like. Select your resolution, select your inputs, then you head over to generate. Okay? Once you tap on this generate, your video is going to start generating immediately. So now it will take up to 5 minutes. Your video is going to get generated. And trust me, to give you the best quality. Now let's watch the video we generated.
How did you become this wealthy?
I earned every coin with my own wisdom.
No. No. No.
My chief.
My friends, you're going to repeat this same step-by-step tutorial to generate the remaining videos for the remaining scenes, okay? So I did that off camera, so this video will not be too long. I hope you've been able to learn one or two from this tutorial. In fact, I hope you got everything. I hope you learned it. Just calm down, concentrate, focus, and try to recreate everything on your own, okay? Now, these are the videos I generated for you guys using the same method, okay? But I just did them off camera. So this video will not be too long. Let's
I
watch them.
lied.
The calapas rewards honesty, not pride.
Our chief has changed. The greatest wealth is an honest heart.
Now I have taught you guys how to become pros in creating AI videos. If you have any question for me, do well to drop it in the comment and I'll do well to answer. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more. See you in our next tutorial. I love you all. Toodles!